Fire Up Barbecue formed with 4 mates from Broken Hill where we grew up. We used to cook the Sunday barbecue at home. We'd send photos to each other and go, look at my roast pork and how's the crackling on this, and sort of stemmed into a barbecue competition when the scene sort of started there, and we thought, well, let's enter one and see how we go. When you're getting into the low and slow competition barbecue style, brisket, pork ribs, pulled pork, then it's very serious. There's 360 teams competing in the ABA competition across Australia. And yeah, at the moment I think we're sitting about 22 in the country. Family and friends love coming to my house because they always know that there's always going to be a barbecue. Who doesn't like standing around the fire and getting a decent feed? The smoker didn't actually take that long to build. 2 hours tops, I reckon it probably took to build. Yeah, real simple. We needed a shed that was gonna hold the smoke and hold the temp. We needed something that we didn't need to spend too much time trying to block up holes and trying to keep heat in. So after a bit of research, we found that the Stratco Handi Mate shed was gonna be perfect for what we needed to be. Everything that we built the smoker out of was from Stratco. We went in there, it took us about 45 minutes. We got everything we needed. Come back 2 hours later, we'd got a fire going and it was getting up to temp straight away.
A couple of handy hints to put the smoker together would be have a box the right size that you can get enough flame, but not too much flame. Far enough away from the shed that you can get it so it draws smoke through, but not too much heat. A well-sealed shed. A temperature gauge in the right position that you get the true indication of the temperature of the meat, and an outlet to ensure that you draft through the right amount of smoke and renew with fresh smoke. It can take up to 14 to 15 hours on some types of meat, big hams and that, but to be honest, it actually took longer to cook our meat than what it did to select the product at Stratco and then go and build the shed in our backyard.
We have cooked so far some jerky. We've been trying around with different flavours of jerky. And now we're just going to play around with some sort of honey sort of glazed smoked ham legs, and we'll sort of see how we go with that. And obviously cheese, like everyone likes a nice little smoked cheese. Like if I knew it was going to be that easy to build a decent smoker and get that result out of a Handi Mate shed, I would have done it ages ago.
Feeling inspired? Or just hungry? Share your What's in Your Shed story or vote for your favourite for a chance to win a share of $25,000 worth of Stratco gift cards.